Hello everyone. We're just gonna be talking about how are we doing today, and there will be some couple things that I just want to share with you. Okay, so our channel looks pretty great because we've just spent some time to do for some tutorials, the art supplies I have, sorting, swatching, and many more. Yeah, and so right now I really wanna talk to you is that there is a big update about that, because over the years we've been listening of coloring, swatching, doing some tutorials, yeah, of course, productivity, and there are loads of other stuff that can be complemented from this channel as well. Okay, so this one, it has an update which is a receiving gift to me. So right now our channel is called Colourful Island. Yeah, so Colourful Island. There into my new upgraded channel, there will be like coloring ones of which type of technique I'm using, when to color pictures, and also drawing my new things. Yep, about that. And there's even as well as doing digital arts like Procreate. Yeah. And yeah, so this channel will be the easiest one here, the easiest place that where you can get and feel comfortable for when you have anxiety, frustrations, or feeling kind of struggled. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, because I'm right here to support your coloring fun. And yeah, it will be easy. Yeah, just like from my guide notes. Yeah, because I won't be expecting to delete my channel, but I'm just going to renew my channel as my new replacement. Yeah, and we're still gonna do quite like for some unboxing new art supplies. We can even get out for the special colorful places that you guys ever wanted to visit, and you can just come to the spots over there. Yeah, and so overall for my new YouTube channel, as my new YouTube channel's updates, you can get into the best, right, comfiest spots. Yep, whenever you're bored or having some anxiousness. Yeah, so don't worry, I'm just right here to do that, and I will show you on how to do some tutorial activities, how to draw, and how to color, what are the methods for this technique, and what to do. And yeah, because I do my best artistic stuff. Yeah, because it'll be easy. So let's get exploring into my brand new updated YouTube channel.